friends! Welcome back to A Gato Getaway, my channel where I talk about alt fashion, J fashion, and general fun with fashion. I have another haul video for you guys today. Back in May, I just had a huge amount of sales from my own shop, and I threw about half of that into new fabrics that'll be updated. They've been made into garments, and I'll have a big shop update happening July 1st. And I'm going to be posting this video before that. But I threw the other half at a bunch of my other fellow indie designers, and one of them was Puvithel. Puvithel. I honestly am really bad at pronouncing her name. Bless her heart, Poo-vee's a good friend of mine. I'm going to leave pronunciation in the description, as well as a link to her shop. This is not a sponsored video. I bought all of these items. I am a huge fan of her work, and I enjoy working with her as well on several different projects. So the first thing I got was she did a release for new Pride themed crystal heart necklaces, which at last count I had the largest collection of her crystal heart necklaces, and my collection only continues to grow. Right here I am wearing the Pan Pride colorway, and this is the Pan Pride in gold. She also did another version of this, I believe, in a different stone, or a metal base, a different color metal base. She did a few different options for the metal bases and a few different options for the flags. I know that the By Pride one, I believe, came in like a brighter color tone, as well as like a pastel version that was in her rose gold. I picked up 4 different Pride necklaces in total, and so I'm going to show you those first before after she did the Pride release. She did a outlet sale, and I got some garments from that because I didn't actually own any of her garments, which is funny considering how many other items I have from her shop. So, like I said, this one is the Pan Pride on gold. The next one I'm going to share, I got this for a very specific outfit. This is the lesbian colorway. It's on a rose gold, so it's like a pinkish metal. And it's got the opalescent in the center. A lot of these have the like opalescent colored stones as the accent pieces, which I love. Because it's made with like a special finish, it can scratch, so I store these very carefully. I have on my wall a bunch of little hooks for these necklaces. And I forgot to turn off my AC. That's fine. The next I have is I got 2 of the rainbow flags. This one is the rainbow flag on gold. And this is where the color like varies, because I also got the rainbow flag in silver. I got silver because most of the necklaces I have from her are silver, and I do prefer silver tone metals to gold tone metals, but I love the color orientation on the gold metal, and I've actually worn this one more than I've worn this one since I got them in a couple weeks ago. I did a quick unboxing on my Facebook for anyone who follows me on there, but I wanted to do a close-up for you guys here on YouTube. So this is the Crystal Heart Pride collection. She does still have a few of these in stock, but they did sell out very fast. I think within the first day or 2, most of the stock had sold out, but she is gonna bring them back. I believe next June she'll do another round of orders. She might also take requests when she does she regularly will do open up orders for where people can pick whatever color stones and metal bases they want. That's how I got a few of the ones that I have, where I've got like one of the only ones. I think there always ends up being at least 3 of a colorway made, because that's what her manufacturer requires, because these are actually not handmade. She does have a shop that makes them, and that's why they're very reasonably priced. They're only $25 each, which let's not think about the fact that they're $25 each. Moving on. The next thing that I've got to share for you guys, she did a outlet sale. So what does that mean? She takes items that she is used in a fashion show, or that is a sample product, or is being discontinued from her shop, and she puts them into a separate section of her website, which I'll put a link to her website in the description below. And she'll regularly do updates on that. She'll make a big announcement ahead of time where you can buy at a discount garments that they've been washed, but they've been worn once for a fashion show, or twice, but they've been used in a fashion show, and she washes them and then repackages them and puts them aside to be sold in the outlet sale. Usually she does this a couple times a year. So without further ado, the very first thing I have these are from her Magical Girl First Aid series. These are a pair of joggers. And yeah, here's a close-up of the print. It's got a little thermometer, and then the medical staff, I cannot remember the name, little flying pills and more pills. I decided to get, this is the 3X, and I went for the larger size because the joggers that she carries can run a little bit small. They're made using a sublimation print, so this design will never fade. You can wash it. However, it can pill. They are made out of a polyester blend. Oh, the inside is so soft. The inside is so soft. I can't tell if these are my hairs already in there because I've got my hair down, or if it just is from when it was worn before. But it's got a cool gradient that happens. I decided to go a size up because, like I said, the pants specifically can run very small. She does have a size chart on the website, and I wanted a really baggy comfort fit, and I knew that it had drawstrings, so I can cinch it in and get it to a place where I'm happy. But I think that those will be a really great fit. I'm working on some Menhera inspired coordinates, obviously. The next thing I got to go with this actually was, I cannot remember the name of the artist. I do believe she has more of all of these items in stock on her website. This one I think actually has a print flaw. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check real quick right now. So it comes with these ribbons, because there is some grommets on the side that you can lace. I think that when you buy it, not from the outlet section, but normally they come laced up, but I'm not 100% sure. This I also got. This is a 3X. I did not need to get this one so large, but yeah, I don't see any flaws with it, so it must have been used in a fashion show. But the artwork on this one is inspired by PTSD. So it says, "I did not hurt myself." And it's got the names, Poo-vee, and then the artist who was the collaborator that did the artwork on this one. A lot of her designs are a mix of, the other pants, Poo-vee designed all of that. She drew it, and then she did a vector design, and she made it up. This one was a collaboration. So, oh, there it is. It is flawed. It's got a small hole right here, which I can stitch that up. That's no problem. All right, next. So there's two pieces in here. One of them I have mixed feelings about, but I've been looking at it since she first released it, and I've wanted to own this item. This is from her series called Anxiety Angel, and people who know me know that I suffer from anxiety. It does have a slogan written right across it all over the place that is very much from like a place of depression. And so I've got mixed feelings on it, but I do like this piece, and I love that it's so dark. And there are some days when I do have very dark thoughts, and I do think it'll be nice to wear it even just casually. Most people won't be that close to read. If you can read my shirt in the year 2020 June, if you can read my shirt while I'm out and about, you are standing way too close. I do not want people within 6 feet of me. We live in a weird world right now, but this is back on track. This is the shirt. It's designed so that you can tie it in a knot right here and be worn as a crop top or as like a standard size. I think it'll be like a normal length top, but I think I would also enjoy just wearing this open as a vest. The fabric itself, as you can see, it's a little sheer, but I don't think it's meant to be a main garment. I would wear this with a tank underneath it. But yeah, very cool. There's also an artwork piece that goes with this that Poo-vee-thelle drew herself. The next and final item I have from the outlet sale, I bought this because my girlfriend owns the same shirt, and I figured let's twin in our gay dad shirts. That's what I don't remember which one of my friends started calling these crazy printed button down t-shirts like gay dad shirts because all the lesbians are wearing them. But again, this one I got doesn't have a size on it. I got this in a XL or a 2XL, something like that, because I wanted it to be larger and oversized on me. This is again a 3XL. I'm not sure why she sent me all 3XLs, because I don't remember that I had them all, but maybe I did. And again, like, my idea with this would be to wear it like tied as a crop like the other one, even though it's not designed to be worn that way. This is from her Some Bodies, like body parts series. I believe that the logo is an ode to Creep P, which I'll leave a link to his stuff down below. He's a musician and DJ. And this was a piece that was done kind of between the two of them. It's got little, so brains or guts, however you want to think of these pieces here, and then these eyeballs with the little band-aids that have Poo-vee's little logo in it. And so one thing I forgot to mention that I just want to touch on, you guys see all these little weird characters on here? They're also on this shirt. See all these little weird characters? This is a language called Tamil, and the characters that are used in repeat, there's 4 of them, and they spell her name in Tamil. So cool, fun little fact about the brand. If you guys would like to see my full collection of crystal heart necklaces, leave a comment below. I would love to make that video and just show them all worn, give people an idea of what they look like and how they wear and tear over time. I believe I have ones that are from her original release of crystal heart necklaces, which was a few years ago now. And of course, obviously, I have the ones that just came out for the Pride series. And you can tell that there's a little bit of difference. They are made out of a base metal. If you have a metal allergy, they might not be the perfect thing for you. They are costume jewelry. These crystals are made out of glass and all of that. But I love them, obviously. And I love all of Poo-vee's work and all of her items. And I'm a little biased because I help her make some of them. But definitely check her out. I will leave a link below to all of the people who I've mentioned. And thanks for checking out my video. I hope you have a great time. Feel free to like and subscribe and check out my other stuff. Have a great day.